Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Honey Lifestyle with a beautiful face as usual. Hi guys, I've not even taken my bath. I just woke up from sleep. Today is Saturday and guys, Thanksgiving Day. You guys, in America they celebrate their Thanksgiving by cooking a lot of food, eat together as a family, invite friends and so on. But in Nigeria we doesn't do Thanksgiving. We don't have a particular date for Thanksgiving, but in Nigeria churches do their Thanksgiving every Sunday before the year end, every last month of the year before the year ends, giving where your families will bring a lot of things for people like yam, plantain, indomie, rice. For this year and last year my church always decided to cook food for Thanksgiving. Like, you're invited to my church anyway. So today they are going to be cooking the food in our house, Thanksgiving food in our house, and I'm here to make the intro telling you guys that Thanksgiving food is coming very soon. In the evening we have our rice here already, 1.5 bags, and then we'll start cooking the evening. So see you in the evening when we are preparing for Thanksgiving food. I hope you're going to enjoy the video.
This is actually preparation for Thanksgiving, you guys. Thanksgiving this year is giving 10 over 10. Call someone to come and help us fix the light because the back of our house is very dark. Waiting for them to come and start cooking. They were like the tomato and the chicken. They don't see any cab or any keke to bring it, so we needed to go out, me and my mom, to go and pick them up from where they are blending the tomato. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Actually my vlogmas day 1, because I'm not going to be following dates. I don't know, but so I don't know if I should end the vlog here or I should continue where we are washing the chicken or the tomatoes so that I can end the vlog at this moment. There's something that really happened where they were grinding the tomato. Let me just explain to you. Going to go and meet them to collect everything that we need. These beautiful views on the road was giving 10 over 10 minus nothing.
So guys, we just finished grinding tomato and everything, and they are saying that 20k for one basket of tomato for grinding. Oh my, not easy for Lagos. So anyhow, they are there talking about the market and all this thing. Anyhow,
Christmas is coming,